Dear viewers, welcome to Learn with Noman. I am Noman Ghazi. Today in this video I am going to share you some secret and important setting for your YouTube video. This video is specially I created for those who are newly start work on YouTube and working hard, always struggling day to night to promote their channel and make viral their video. Today in this video I am going to share you that secret tips, but I have request that if you want to learn something from this video, you must watch from first to last. This method using all are successful YouTuber and they are not sharing this method to other, but in this video I'm going to share you just follow my method and I hope you will be benefit from this video. Okay, so now I'm going to share you from my desktop. I have a video. Okay, now before to publish I will do that of this SEO. I'm going to show you now. Firstly click on the right button. After click the right button you can see there is the end properties. Click on properties. After you can see there is detail option. Click on detail and then right here your video title, how to lose weight naturally. Subtitle you write lose weight, how to lose weight. This is a subtitle. And rating, remember the rating always must be 5 stars, so I'm giving the 5 star. Okay, after tags, the tags are most important. Okay, you must to give the tags that your video related. Okay, so where you can get video related tags that I'm going to show you. Okay, go to the Google, search here tagsyoutube.com. After open you will see the interface. From here, right here your video title, how to lose weight naturally. Click on here get tags. After click here you can see the tags are loading. Okay, you can see many tags are here, so click here for select, copy it. Okay, all the tags are here. Check properly, okay, which is your video related tags, just keep it that. Okay, out of video related tags you must to delete it. Misleading, if you do the misleading then your video will be private from YouTube, so you must to remember that before copy all the tags. Okay, just check one by one. Okay, that's all my video related tags. So now I'm clicking here copy tags, it has been copied. Okay, now go to the same, paste, that has been added. One most important thing that, okay, once you done the tags, okay, end of tags, don't forget to write your channel name. My channel name is like this. I'm going to show you from my other channel. This channel name is TV YouTube channel. After set all the tags, now come to the comment option. It's same. Okay, copy it. Okay, paste here all the tags. The comment option also will be the same. Right here your channel name, comma, TV YouTube channel. Okay, now go to down, contributing artist. What you will write contributing artist, you must write your channel name, TV YouTube channel. If you have other channel, I can recommend your other channel as well. So done. then go to the year 2019 January. What you will write, January I'm writing now how to, because my video is how to based video, so I'm going to write how to. Okay, then go to the down. Okay, you can see the origin. Write your channel name, MNTV YouTube channel. Copy. Producer also will be same. Writers same. Publisher same. And content provider, until content provider keep it same. Okay, just click apply and do OK. Now my video is ready for upload on YouTube. Now I'm going to upload this video on YouTube. Okay, so for that, go to YouTube, click here, upload video. Make it schedule. This video is being uploaded. So now write here your title for this video, write the description. Okay, make it separate this much. Go to down. Here you have to use 3 hashtags. The first one I'm writing how to lose weight, the second one lose weight, the third one your channel name, MNTV YouTube channel. Make it separate. Now there you can write here related tags. The related tags you can found this website www.betterwaytoweb.com. You can see the tag generated for YouTube. Here you write your tags. How to lose weight naturally. Find tags. You can see many tags is there. All the tags are ranked and helpful for your this video. Just copy these all tags and open, paste here. Now go to direct search from Google, how to lose weight naturally. This is I'm searching directly from Google. Okay, after end you can see there is keywords. The keywords is the most effective keywords. The people are most searching by these keywords, so you have to use these keywords in your video. Copy all the keywords, paste it here. Okay, right here firstly all the tags, this much. Go to the video, paste it. Now go to again, copy, go to the video, paste it. Okay, after finish this setting, okay, then go to the advanced setting. Okay, from here change it, because my video is how to based videos, so there is, you can see how to and style. Just click on here, language, select the language, English. The down you can see embedding, so you can remove this allow embedding. So guys, after set all the important keywords, okay, the way you find all the keywords, okay, one by one you choose, okay, from here, okay, which keywords you feel it is more effective. Just collect from here and set it your all video. So take time like half hour, 1 hour. Okay, how much time you take more, your video will be as much good. So now I have done this much, so that way you set all. So after set all, select the thumbnail and okay, click for that schedule or reschedule that's the time. Okay, you can change the time, like these are the important things. Okay, when you will publish your video, try to publish always morning, because the morning when the people are going to the office, before going to the office or work, everybody are using YouTube. Okay, so this is the time, if you publish your video you will get more view. Okay, and evening time, so I choose morning 8 o'clock. Okay, click here. After click, just publish it. Has been done. So guys, this is the secret all the YouTuber using for their video and get million of view. So you can use this method and can be benefit. Also you can make eligible your YouTube channel for monetization, okay, faster within 2-3 months. So guys, if you feel this video help you, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button to get update with me. In my next video I will share you some more effective and more helpful video. Okay, to get update with me, please subscribe it and be with me. Thanks for watching this video.